All right, guys, you see that? That's rubber. That's basically part of the bellow coming apart. Now, this is on a Samsung front loader. This is a warranty call, and customer stated the machine is vibrating and shaking. So be mindful of some of these symptoms. Some of them you cannot resolve easily, and calling a technician out, replacing the shocks or shocks on these, it's not going to change anything. The washer will continue to do that. You can see the warp, the drum, so the bearings that the shaft or the spider is seated in is actually warped, slightly angled. So as the machine spins, it will vibrate, and nothing you can do other than replacing the drum assembly or pressing in new bearings. It's a big repair. So we're going to be putting it into drain and spin. Take a look, take a listen. If you're experiencing this, time to replace the machine or deal with it until it breaks. Thanks for watching.
But they asked if they could keep it, and we said no. But when we got here, this doesn't look like a new washing machine.
No, not at all. These are probably.
I think they bought a used one and replaced the one.
This style is about 10, maybe 9 years old.
Yeah, then it could be. The house is going to be 8 years old.
Okay. Yeah. So.
In December, it'll be 8 years old.
Okay. Yeah, I thought it was recent. Yeah. See that drum walking?
Yeah. You could get an angle shot at it. You can really see it.
Yeah, I'm going to move it once it ramps up.
Imagine if you put it in. I don't think it should vibrate that much.
No, not at all. That thing shakes. Jeez. And it's going to ramp up. It's still going to go faster.
Should take a shot at here so they can see how the machine moves.
Oh, wow. Wow. That is...
And in a report.
Yeah. Sometimes they want to know what's wrong with it, so I'll send them a little bit.